Hi, I'm Melissa, and today Jasmine and I are going to show you how to get the smooth, sleek look so you can get this effortless celebrity style at home.
Dry your hair completely with the Pro Dryer and the Smooth Pass paddle brush, keeping the airflow pointed downward for a smooth finish. Next, divide hair in 2 sections from temple to temple and clip away. Next, take 1-inch sections and slowly glide the Pro Iron from roots to ends using even tension. Continue both sections until your hair is completely smooth and sleek.
For a smooth and controlled blowout, go with Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium Portofino. Begin with your favorite blow-dry cream and spread evenly in between your palms. Apply from roots to ends and comb through to distribute the product evenly. Depending on the density of the hair, you can reapply as needed. When it comes to shaping the hair from wet to dry, Portofino's concentrator nozzle and negative ion generator are the ultimate static fighters. Here's a pro tip. Think of the brush and blow dryer as being attached to one another. The brush leads the way, while the blow dryer follows closely behind and in the same direction. This allows for the ultimate control and smoothness while shaping the hair. The marriage of Nano Titanium Portofino and flat wrap blow dry technique will have you styling in no time.